In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste text without formatting in OneNote. If you've ever copied text from a website, document, or email and pasted it into OneNote, you may have noticed that it sometimes brings along unwanted formatting. That can include different fonts, colors, spacing, or text sizes that make your notes look inconsistent. The good news is that OneNote gives you a simple way to paste only the words themselves without all that extra styling. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're on the page where you want the text to appear. This method is especially helpful when you want your notes to stay clean and uniform, instead of matching the formatting of whatever source you copied from. Once your notebook is open, go to the exact spot where you want to place the text. Then right-click in that area. This will open a context menu with several options related to pasting and editing. If you don't see the result you expect right away, just make sure you're clicking inside the note area where text can be inserted. Next, look for the Paste Options icon. This is the key part of the process. After right-clicking, OneNote gives you different ways to paste content, and each option handles formatting differently. The Paste Options icon helps you choose how the copied text will appear once it's added to your note. From those options, select Keep Text Only. This tells OneNote to paste just the plain text without bringing over the original formatting from the source. In other words, the text will adopt the style of your current OneNote page instead of keeping the font, color, or layout from where it was copied. This is the best choice when you want your notes to stay neat, simple, and easy to read. After selecting Keep Text Only, your text should appear in a much cleaner format that blends naturally with the rest of your notes. This can save time on manual cleanup and make your notebook look more organized overall. If you regularly copy information from multiple places, this is a useful habit to build. It helps maintain consistency across your pages and keeps distracting formatting from cluttering your workspace. That's how to paste text without formatting in OneNote. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.